What is going on, guys? It's me again. Today I wanted to do a video talking about one SEO trick that can completely change your life. Okay, so maybe it won't change your life, but it will change your social media on Instagram, and that can change your life if done correctly. So whether you have a business account or just you're trying to have a personal brand, one massively effective thing, which is really simple to do to change your account, is to simply change your name. So for example, we'll take my store, community and content creation account, Array3D, where I sell 3D models, create content about the world of 3D, and just share people's artwork and have discussions and so on. The nickname is Array3D, but the actual name is 3D Artist Community. Now if you're searching for a 3D Artist Community on Instagram, you go to your explore page, you hit the search and you type up 3D Artist Community. You never type up Array3D. This is because Array3D, when it was first started, has 0 followers, of course, like every account, and nobody knows that Array3D is a 3D Artist Community. So changing your name to 3D Artist Community means that when people search for a 3D Artist Community, that's your name, meaning you are one of, or the first search result to appear. Another example will be my personal brand, this one here. If you look at my name, my username is Morgan Prosser 3D, which is just my name and then 3D, but my actual name on Instagram is social media find artist. Now this is because I do social media videos, obviously, and I also am a 3D artist. Array Instagram account has been completely based off of trying this one technique. So after I hit about 2,000 followers, I put it back to Array3D as its name, and engagement and the amount of followers I got and the amount of times I was showing up on people's explore pages decreased loads. So after about a week, 2 weeks, I changed it back to 3D Artist Community, and again, it rose again. I was showing up in more searches. I was up to maybe 500 followers a week, and everything just kind of rose up and got a hell of a lot better. So that's literally the entire technique. Just change your actual name on Instagram to whatever you do. So say you're a interior photographer, you change your name to literally interior photographer and keep your username as whatever you want your name to be. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments and so on, and don't forget to like and subscribe and all that boring stuff. But let me know if you like these videos so I can make more of them, and don't forget to check out my vlogs and so on.
Trapped in the concept, falsely accused, was used, and misled, bitch, I'm hoping you fucking rest in peace.